What's going on? My name is Josh here with Federal Brace, and today we're going to be installing the Liberty flat plate for a hidden countertop application. Let's get started. First, you're going to need a drill. We also have a router here, and then we also have a drill bit, your bit for fastening in the screws right here. And then we also have caulk with your caulk gun. And then you're also going to need your bracket, 2 countersunk screws, and a pen and a leveler. So when you're installing your bracket, you want to make sure that you're marking the width of the bracket as well as the thickness of the bracket. This is a 1/4 inch bracket, but we have different sizes, so make sure you check how thick your Liberty flat plate is before installing. So I went ahead and marked the width of the Liberty flat plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark the depth of the flat plate so that the rest of the bracket is flush with the countertop. Mark it at a 1/4 inch, and then you should be good to go. Got your router, so I'm gonna go ahead and start routing. What I'm doing here is, one, I'm just making sure that it's level. I'm also, so like I said before, we have 4 1/8 inch of space on this bracket for the stud. So I just want to make sure that based on my application that I've got 8 inches of overhang or just about. Keep in mind, you don't want any more of 4 inches of unsupported weight. So from the end of the bracket to the end of the countertop, you don't want any more than 4 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling my pilot holes. Now that we have the holes drilled for the Liberty plate, I'm gonna go ahead and get these countersunk screws. This is 2.5 inch by 1/4 inch fastener. So you got your pilot holes, you just go ahead and all right, so we have our Liberty plate installed from here. Just gonna wanna get some caulk, put it along the top, and you should be good to go. So, pretty simple, just line it up. And if you have a butcher block or anything like that, tie in, or you could drill in countersunk holes on the bottom and then tie into the butcher block if you like, but silicone does the work. Thank you so much for watching. For more product information and made in the United States innovation, go ahead and visit us at federalbrace.com. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you next time.